It's Willie Crash and California Kid. That 90-second clock starts when he hits his first goal. Freestyle competition starts now. Monster Truck Freestyle is underway with California Kid. Straight up and down with a sky wheelie. He's getting down. Seconds remain on the 90-second clock. The Kid. Dig down the slide wheelie. A picture-perfect slide wheelie. Clock is up for California Kid. Let's make some noise for him. Jackie, show your scores for Willie Crash and California Kid. The scores for California Kid are a 7, a 6, and an 8. 7, 6, and an 8, and 21-point score for California Kid. The bar has been set. A Monster Truck Freestyle competition. As Willie Crash heads off the track, your next competitor up, a Monster Truck Freestyle gets ready to go. Your next competitor from Darrington, Washington, it's Dave Smith and Maniac. The 90-second clock starts when he hits his first jump. The 21 from California Kid is the current score to beat. Dave Smith and Maniac. Check out the sky wheelie. Putting 1,500 horsepower to work. Get a little rowdy in freestyle. Halfway through his freestyle run, he's Maniac. Judges, show your scores for Dave Smith and Maniac. Your judges' scores are locked in. The scores for Maniac are a 6, a 7, and a 6. A 19-point score for Maniac. California Kid is still your leader with a 21-point score in Monster Truck Freestyle competition. Coming up next, looking to flex his Napa know-how, it's Kevin Sell and Napa Auto Care. The rookie driver from Ocean Shores. Here he comes. Let's see him go for the Skyway. California Kid as the rookie Gabriel Napa Auto Care attacks the track. Left on the clock for Napa Auto Care. Down the back stretch. Here we go for the big stack. As the 90-second clock expires for Kevin Sell and Napa Auto Care, let's get some noise for them! Your scores for Napa Auto Care are a 5, a 4, and a 5. 5, 4, and a 5, a 14-point score for Napa Auto Care. Coming up next, from Columbia Falls, Oregon, it is Tim Manchester and Hillbilly! Tim Manchester and Hillbilly! 7, an 8, and a 6, a 21-point score. Hillbilly ties for the lead. Hillbilly and California Kid currently tied with a 21-point score in Monster Truck Freestyle competition. Do you want more? Coming up next from Kelowna, British Columbia, it's Marvin Anderson and Identity Theft. Marvin Anderson and Identity Theft. Looking to be a 21-point score. Cheer 'em on, cheer 'em on, cheer 'em on! Marvin Anderson and Identity Theft making his way towards the front stretch. As the clock winds down, let's make some noise for Marvin Anderson and Identity Theft. All right, your judges' scores for Marvin Anderson and Identity Theft. Get ready to roll in. The scores for Identity Theft. Lock in. We have ourselves an 8, and a 6. Ability to the 6, a 22-point score. Your new leader. From Adelaide, Australia, it's Nick Jones and Spitfire. Spitfire making his way around the track. Alabama Spitfire. Make some noise for them! The scores for Rockstar are now locked in. Your judges' scores for Rockstar. We have ourselves a 9, a 10, and a 10, a 20-point score. Your freestyle winner here on Friday.